Nita here with WeCookiers.com. Today I am showing you the large Russian piping tips, like those, and I am writing a page for my website over these and the MINI Nifty Nozzles and the Russian ball tips as well. I will leave a link for that to my website in the show notes below. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a free download for you. So enjoy the video, and I will see you on the other end. Okay, that was the large Russian piping tips and out of buttercream, and I hope you enjoyed that. I may not be the best with the Russian piping tips. I don't use them real often, the large ones, but anyways, they do make a very pretty effect. So that brings us to, if you would like, on my site I offer a 2-page color mixing chart, and these are the harder to find colors like rust and moss, raspberry, different colors, and it'll tell you 1 part this to 1 or 2, 3 parts that. So it's really easy to follow, but it's really advantageous to hang at your workstation. You can just go over and download that, and you get that for signing up for my monthly periodical that I write. That is just chock full of great cookie knowledge, information, tips, tricks, hacks for the cooking world, and there's inspiration photos for you. There's question and answer, definitely cookie cutter flips. There's just so much information, and I add to it here and there with different sections. So if you want that, go ahead and go get it, and all you have to do is just pop in your email and download it. So that's it for this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful, and until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.